Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to insert a PDF in Excel. So first, let's bring up a PDF here, and what we want to do is navigate to Insert here, then Object, so we want to select Object here in the text section, then we want to select Create from File, we want to browse to our PDF, this is the one on the desktop, select Insert. Now when we press OK, it will link directly to that PDF and you can put it anywhere within Excel. Now, if you want to insert the PDF, come back up to Object, Create from File, Browse, File, find the file again, select Insert. This time select Link to File and press OK, and then you want to select Paste Everything. Now in this case, because my file's so big, it will take some time. Now if your file's smaller, it should take much quicker to paste it into Excel. However, it is only a link to the PDF document again. So that's the only options you have to insert a PDF in Excel. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.